An investor in Howard Company owns 1,000 of the company's 100,000 shares, which currently have a market value of $1.40 per share. The company has just announced a 1-for-5 scrip dividend. What will the wealth of the investor after the scrip dividend? Now, a scrip dividend, this is where you give shares to your shareholders instead of a dividend. This is very similar to the theoretical ex-rights price calculations, but the shares are offered for free. Now, the key to this question, to do it quickly, is to identify the fact that no money is changing hands here, and therefore the total value of the company won't change. And as long as this investor's proportional ownership doesn't change, then if they had 1,000 shares initially and they are worth $1.40 each, the wealth of their shares will be worth $1,400. And the correct answer is therefore A. We can do a calculation to show what the share price would be and calculate that it's going to be worth exactly the same for this investor. If it's a 1-for-5 scrip issue, initially you have 5 shares worth $1.40 each. So this is worth $7. You then issue 1 new share for free, which means each bundle there'll be 6 shares that are worth in total $7. You can then work out the value per share if you take the $7 and divide it by 6. This now gives a share value of approximately $1.17 per share. Now, this investor initially had 1,000 shares. It's a 1-for-5 scrip issue. So for every 1,000, if we divide that by 5, they're going to be given 1 extra. So that will give them an extra 200 shares. So that is 1,200 shares in total. Each one should now be worth approximately 1.17, and then give or take a rounding difference, because that figure has been rounded. This will also come back to 1,400.